Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you how can you construct your own local cache to save embeddings. So if you are doing this thing, you need not to generate embeddings every time whenever you are computing it. So let's have a look at few lines of code which I have written. So first of all, make sure that you have installed Pickle 5. So in my case, I have already installed it, and here I am using OpenAI's embedding model. So that's the reason I have imported OpenAI, as well as I have set the key in my OpenAI instance. So after that, I am importing pandas and importing the pickle as well. Then I have, let's have a look from here. So we are using, like I said, I'm using pickle. So this is the pickle file name which I'm giving. So this is the file which is going to store locally on my machine, and the name of the file will be embedding cache.pickle. So what I'm doing here is, here I have supplied the name of my cache file, and then I'm saying check if the file is already there on this path. If it is not there, then it will go ahead and instantiate an empty cache for me. So these are the three lines which you need to do. And after that, what I have done is I have written a function for embedding from string. So it will take string as well as the model and then generate the embedding for it. So this is the parameter cache. So I have declared it globally, but in your case, if you are not declaring it globally, then make sure to pass it. So what this function is doing is it is first checking whether this given string with the combination of this particular model is present in the cache or not. So it is in the form of key value pair. So we are checking under the keys if this combination is present or not. If it is not present, then go ahead and generate the embeddings for it. For embeddings, I have written a small function over here, which you can see that it is using openai.embeddings.create. It is taking text and the model as a parameter. So once this is computed, it will return the embedding and it will be stored in our cache with this particular key value pair, where string is our text and model is the model name, which is text embedding ADA002. So once it is done, we are what we are doing is we are dumping this particular string, which is right now in memory, to the cache file. So for that, we are simply opening this file in a binary mode and using the pickle.dump to push that generated embedding into our pickle file. And once this is done, we are returning this particular list. So I'm going to execute this as well. Let's have a quick test for it. So I have taken a sample text hello, and then I'm saying pass this to embedding from string and generate the embedding for me. So it is going to take this hello string and will generate the embedding for us. And you can see that on the left hand side, it generated this file for me also, which definitely we can't see because the format is not supported in VS Code. But this file is existing on my machine now. Now, if I want to test it again or do it anything, it's not going to generate it because these two lines will take care of it. So if it is not already there, it will go ahead and generate it. But if it's already there, it will quickly read it from our pickle file. So that's how easy it is to generate a local cache in order to save our embedding. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.